Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy, the host Chewy, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're just going to be taking a look at my portfolio and then just see some of the changes that I've made because it's been a while since I posted last time. And then I'll also show you guys exactly how much I made this past month in just dividends. And then I also have a smaller like Chase account and a smaller Webull account if you guys want to take a look at that. But okay, let's get started. So I guess the biggest change in this portfolio has been that Jeppy used to be like $80,000 and I dropped it down to like 15.5k. And my biggest reason was because I actually need to be like more diversified because what happens if this stock doesn't perform or doesn't like give out the dividend like that I want. I decided to like split them all up evenly, and then as you can see, here's like the portfolio. So I have SPY, Devo, Main Street Capital, Jeppy, Realty Income, SEHD, QQQ, Gain, DJIA, and then last but not least XYLD. And then as you can see, last time that I had my portfolio, it was at 200k, but now it's at 155k. So I actually decided to put some cash onto the side just because I really think this year is going to be the opportunity for real estate. So that's what I'm really waiting for. I'm looking for some deals and looking to see if I can find anything. And then as you know, you can't really do anything if you don't have any money, so I had to take some money out. But yeah, that's been it so far. And then there's also 3 different positions that I decided to add. So I decided to add SPY, SEHD, and the reason why I did that was I really like love the dividends, but I have to like think about more of the long term. So just to be like more risk adverse, I decided to put some of my money into them. Like I really do love the dividend, but I really want to make sure that I keep growing this account and it just keeps compounding, getting bigger and bigger. And then to be honest with you guys, like this type of style makes it so that it helps me sleep at night, just so I know I'm getting growth and then some dividends on the side as well. And then before we go on to the next thing, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and then if you just want to keep learning more about business, personal finance, Amazon FBA, make sure you follow me on all of the social medias, and they're all at the Chewy. And then I'll have a link down below, so make sure you check that out. But alright, on to the numbers. Let's see how much we made in dividends. So the first dividend that we got for this past month was XYLD, and we got $74.36. And the next up was Jeppy, and we got $693. But like I said before, I cut Jeppy a lot, so this dividend is going to be a lot smaller. And then on March 14th, we got paid out $11.84, and that's from ADC. And then on March 15th, we got paid out 4 different times. We got paid out from Stag, Realty Income, Main Street Capital, and then Gain. And I got $17, $75, $18, and $318. And the next up was PSEC, and that was on March 22nd. And we got $24.72. And then March 27th, we got paid out $422 from SEHD. And then on the final day, I got paid out twice. And that was Devo with $60 and then BST with $36. Okay, so I just added up all the numbers, and this is how much we made. So just in case that's inverted, this is how much we made. So we made $1,752.52 this past month, and that's just dividends alone. And to be honest with you guys, that's just absolutely crazy because that's how much I used to make like every 2 weeks in my job, and now I'm just making that passively. Alright guys, this has been everything. If you liked the video, make sure you like the video, and if you found value in this, make sure you subscribe as well. And then also, don't forget to check out my other social medias. They're all at the Chewy, and then they'll all be linked down below, so make sure you check them out. See you guys later. Peace.